Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unblock someone on TikTok, and now let's dive right in. Now to unblock someone on TikTok, first we'll be required to open the TikTok app. And after opening your TikTok app, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see a profile icon available for us at the bottom right. Tap on that profile icon, and from over here again at the top right corner of the screen you can see your three lined icons, guys. Tap on that three lined icon. Tap on settings and privacy over here again, and over here, guys, you'll be required to tap on the privacy button, which is the second one. Tap on that privacy button, and from over here, guys, you'll be required to scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Over here, guys, you can see your blocked accounts option available for us. Tap on that blocked account, and over here, guys, all of the personnel whom you had blocked on TikTok will be over here. Now in order to unblock them, you can see the unblock button at the right side of their tab. Tap on that unblock button with whom you want to unblock, and with that being done, guys, that person will be unblocked on TikTok. And there, guys, this is how to unblock someone on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.